What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on how to turn your phone into a computer for like less than 20 bucks. Now, the reason why this is going on this channel here, it's like, man, D'Angelo, we talk about making money on here. What are you talking about this for? Now, the reason we're talking about this is because a lot of people hit me up all the time saying that they don't have a computer, but they got these nice, big, fancy phones. And, you can actually turn your phone into a computer legit, like a regular computer for less than 20 bucks. So let me show you guys how this whole process works so you can start building websites from your phone, while not being on your phone, because man, building a website from a phone sucks ass. Alrighty guys, so this is a super cheap setup here. As you can see, we got our keyboard, we got a mouse, we got the dock, we got the monitor and the phone, of course. And that's it. That's the entire process. So all you have to do is get you one of these docks right here. You can get them on Amazon, or you can even go to the Goodwill and find them. You want one right away, you go right over to Amazon, get them for like 10-15 bucks. Then again, I got this right here for $8, and then I got these right here for $3 because I buy them in bulk brand new. And then I got this right here for 50 cents because I bought those in bulk as well. Now you can go to the Goodwill and get these for 50 cents, $1. Same thing with the mouse. So again, realistically, you're only going to spend 20 bucks, maybe around 30 if you go and like get like stuff that's brand new or whatnot. But for legit 20-30 bucks, you got a whole computer right here. And that's the entire process. So hopefully you guys who don't have a computer can do this. Like I said, this does not work on every phone. I don't even know if this works on iPhones. I'm like 99% sure that it does not work on iPhones. They might have like an alternative or something like that, but every single video I've seen of people using this Samsung deck or whatever they want to call it, basically hooking up to the TV and turning it into a computer, has been Android. Like every single one. I've not seen a single video of an iPhone doing it. But anyway, I just thought I would give you guys some tips on, buying your stuff here. So when you go to buy one of these, don't get ones where you only have like one USB port, right? But you might be like, oh, well, I'll save $5 and I can use the keyboard as a Bluetooth, right? I'm telling you guys, just pay the extra $5 because you never know what can happen. Let's say at 2 o'clock in the morning, you are working on the client's website. It needs to be done within like the next hour or two, and your keyboard dies on you. You don't have any batteries. All the stores are closed because of the whole, COVID situation. Now what? Yeah, that can be pretty ugly, right? So I'm telling you, just pay the extra $5. It will definitely come in handy. Again, you can always go out and get you a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard if you want to do that in the future, but I highly recommend just having some wired ones just in case something does happen, because you never know. The Bluetooth might just start acting funny, it might start acting stupid. At least you know what the wired one is going to work as soon as you plug it in, as long as there's like nothing like actually wrong with the keyboard. But if you don't want to go down, but if you go down that route anyway, another thing you're going to need is a wireless charging deck or whatever, because obviously you're not going to be able to charge your phone and charge and be in the computer at the same time. So make sure that you have that basically have the wireless charging if your phone supports that. Again, if you just pay an extra $5, you can do wire charging and everything. But that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And this is a very good alternative to having a computer, especially if you're just doing like regular stuff. Now, if you're doing black hat stuff, nah. You'll still be able to build all your landing pages and stuff, but you can't download applications on this. You're just using your phone. So no, you will not be able to do that. But if you're doing black hat stuff, I imagine you got a shit ton of money anyway. So this doesn't even apply to you. You got a computer.